is the Robot Overlord, also known as Chat GPT. I'm Ant217 and today I'm gonna draw whatever Chat GPT commissions me to draw. Let's get started. So to start, I tell the chatbot exactly what I need it to do. I tell it that it's gonna commission me to draw 3 main characters because I'm the artist, not you, robot. Remembering to say please and thank you so I don't upset the Robot Overlords in case of a robot uprising. I tell it that it's gonna make a dumb cartoon, a silly cartoon, a dumb cartoon, a outrageously dumb cartoon. Then I mention that it's going to be dumb. So it proceeds to tell me what it wants me to draw. It gives me the description of the characters and I start drawing. The first description is a wild wobbly creature resembling a human-sized slinky, and it is now coming to life. It has a coil-like body made up of vibrant swirling colors, consistently shifting and bending. His face is a round and bouncy balls with large expressive eyes that can change colors and patterns. Their mouth is a wide, toothy grin that stretches from ear to ear. They also wear a neon-colored bow tie that likes to whirl around in circles. So I want this cartoon to be more of an old-school slapstick style comedy, not the new school Cal Arts sort of style. Nothing wrong with that style, I love that style, but I want to go with more of an old school look, like a Kids WB back in the day or Looney Tunes type of cartoon. For the second character, Chat GPT told me that I need to draw something that resembles a combination of balloons and whirlwind. They are translucent, allowing glimpses of swirling air and sparks of energy inside them to show. 2 large animated eyes that blink independently. Surprising others with gusts of winds or sparks, he communicates with a series of whistles, gusts, and giggles, so he can't really speak. This one was a challenge for me because he's basically a balloon animal, and I don't know anything about balloon animal art. I wanted to make it look like it can actually be a balloon animal, so the balloons coming together have to sort of make sense. I don't want to just have one balloon just stuck to another balloon and is not actually intertwined. So I had to think about that as I draw this weird character. This was a lot of fun to incorporate the actual parts of a balloon, where like the part where you actually blow air into, I made it into his mouth. I thought that was very cool and very creative, and also since he likes to blow wind at people, it just makes sense. I added more balloons for his legs and separate balloons for his fingers, and I just move on to the next one because I didn't really know what else to do with the balloon animal creature. But I promise you, I will make him better in the final art. And for the third character, who is absolutely my favorite character, they have a stout round body with a wobbly and bouncy gait, I don't know what that means, resembling a mix of human and a penguin. I had to give him that long tongue like Lick-a-Tongue from Pokemon, or Yoshi, or Tasmanian Devil, or that one weird kid that we all know that always likes to show how long his tongue is. This character combines human-like features with animal characteristics. They have a wide, cheerful smile filled with pearly white teeth and a button-like nose. Their eyes are round and shiny with a mischievous glimmer reminiscent of a playful raccoon. Sporting a pair of floppy, furry ears atop their head, this character's hair is a fluffy, colorful mess that sticks out in all directions. It has shades of vibrant hues resembling the feathers of a tropical bird. His outfit consists of baggy patterned pants held up by suspenders adorned with jiggly bells, communicates with a mix of animated gestures, so I feel like they will talk with their hands like this. Now I'm gonna move on to the complete finished work, the cartoon cinematic poster. For that, I want to draw them all together in a pose, kind of showcasing what the show will be about. I draw the main character, the penguin, raccoon, weird creature thing first. I want him front and center. I want him to be the leader, so I draw him first. I actually loved this character description, so I kind of took a little bit more time with this one and try to make him look more like the main character. And a lot of times in cartoons, the main character is the more distinguished one, so I wanted to make him look like he can stand out on his own. Again, they're all 3 main characters, but he's my favorite. I know. We're not supposed to have favorites, but he's my favorite creation today. Don't tell the others. I especially loved his long tongue and that awesome hat. I gave him extremely baggy pants that kind of stick off to the side, and it makes his silhouette stand out even further along with his tongue and his hat. I draw him first, but I want him interacting with the other characters. So I decided to draw the slinky monkey looking character on his shoulders, showing that his body is in fact a slinky, so he's leaning over. The body is a slinky. I gotta make it look more like a swirly. And no, I'm not talking about those things that those bullies did to me when I was in school. No, I'm kidding. I've never received a swirly. I feel like his gloved hand is one of his key features, so I kind of put that also front and center. Makes him look happier, makes him look more energetic, and it makes him look awesome. I didn't really know what to do with the balloon creature still, but I think I worked through it. I needed to make those balloons make sense. So I did some research on balloon animals and see how they connect the balloons together, and I kind of drew what I saw from that research. I'm like a scientist. I decided to draw him falling down laughing because he is the more silly one. He can't really speak, so his actions will speak for him. And the fact that he's just cracking up laughing without a care in the world, I feel like it showcases his personality way more. I ink all the characters one at a time before I start dropping in all the colors. For coloring the penguin looking character, I used basic penguin colors, also making sure I leave that stripe across his eyes that make him look more like a raccoon. I also can't forget that he has very colorful, weird hair, and I think it adds to his awesome character. I move on to the pants of the monkey character. Remember, it had a lot of patchwork. It was psychedelic in nature, so I just made it extremely colorful. Each one of the squares a different color. I gave him 2 different colored eyes, my favorite colors to work with, pink and blue. And don't forget, one of the key aspects to this character is his neon spinning bow tie. Since the other 2 characters are sort of colorful, I wanted to make sure that I make the balloon animal colorful as well. So each balloon is a different color, and he has a matching neon bow tie like his buddy. I made it so that the balloons look like they're intertwined with each other and tied up, and I think this one came out great. I also lowered the opacity just a little bit to show that the balloons are transparent. I add the rendering, usually going with a cel shaded look, but I wanted to make it look more painterly and natural. And I made some of those inks that I worked so hard on disappear. I did that by making a clipping mask over the line art and then selecting the color inside and just coloring right over them. Leaving some of them by making it just a little bit darker and making the rest of them disappear by matching the color inside. I add some of my finishing touches, my last effects, and voila! Let me know in the comments down below if you think that this show would be crazy. Let me know if you would watch this show. Leave a comment down below if you want me to do something else with Chat GPT. And remember, I'm awesome. I think. Thanks for watching.